Hi guys, Artemis here with another unboxing video. This is of the Funko Marvel Collectors Corp of Fantastic Four for January 2020. Before I open it up, let me just show you the box. It's pretty cool. It has the Fantastic Four logo right here on the top. Alright, let me open it up and show you what's inside the box. So this is what actually comes inside. It shows next month. Well, not next month, for March. The Infinity Saga. And here is the Fantastic Four t-shirt. Okay. And then it comes with a decal of the Human Torch. And it comes with two pops. The Human Torch and Mr. Fantastic. Let me just take them out. I'll give you a better look. Just put them in a case really fast. What's cool about the Human Torch when it's like glows in the dark. Here's the Human Torch. Let me put that to the side. Here's Mr. Fantastic. And it's cool about Mr. Fantastic that he's stretched out. It's very similar to the Plastic Man for the DC Legion of Collectors that they used to have. Oh. And I believe you get a pin. Dr. Doom. And then this is the entire contents of the box. And of course, for March's Collectors Corp, which is pretty cool, the Infinity Saga. So again, this is what you get in the box. Right here. Including the t-shirt. And that's it for this video. Alright guys, if you like this video, please subscribe. And thank you for watching. And as always, keep on collecting and have a nice day.